walking into the veil. Two ways you could walk into the veil. You could walk just a natural walk, or you could add some waves or some sensuality into your walk. So one way is to plie one leg, and as you plie that leg and make the other leg go in front, it's going to push that leg in front. So let me go sideways. So bring your right leg forward, and its thighs are close together. And then as you bend that knee, which is your plie, you're going to push that leg going forward. And notice my feet, they're more going side than just pointing forward. It's pointing to the side, and the heel kind of leads this movement. Okay, and then bring yourself up. So you notice how I went down and up. Let's do that again. So now it's going to be the other leg. So bring that leg close together, and then plie. So that back leg is going to push that leg in front, and then up. So again, the action comes from the back. So let's do that again. So bring your right leg in front. You're kind of in the heel is at the arch, which is called like the third position. And then you're going to have your thighs close together, bend your back leg, and let that leg, as it bends, push the leg to the front. It's like they're glued together. So it's like it has no choice to move forward. And then see how your knees are bent. You keep your posture nice and tall. And then the back leg, the foot's going to press against the floor, and you're going to push yourself up. And then you're going to repeat. Now the other side. Thighs close together. Get ready to straighten that leg in front. Plie the back leg and push forward. Do that again. Plie, forward. Plie, forward. Notice the leg in front stays straight. I'm going to go forward here so you can see. So you go. Bring your right leg back. Left leg is straight. Right knee bend. Forward. Plie, forward. Plie. Again, it's always the back leg. This one is kind of glued and stays straight like a stick. Push forward. Now going back, you could do the same thing. But this time it's going to be the front leg that's going to plie. So right leg, so left leg goes back to like its third position, back. Plie the front leg and push back. So this one's going to slide back. So the front leg's not going to help. You're just going to have to bring that leg back as it bends, the front leg bends. And then push from the front leg. And then come back. Now left leg, plie. So as you plie, bring that leg back, straight back. And then this leg, push against the floor, the foot push against the floor, up and come in. I'm going to do that one more time. Right leg, plie, and as you plie, bring that left leg back, sweep back, and press against the floor as you go towards the back. Switch. Now left leg, plie, bring that leg, right leg back, and up. Keep yourself centered. Now we're going to do this with walking in the veil. I'm going to bring the purple up. So you might hear the fabric against the mic. I apologize. Okay, so let's just walk now, and then I'll show something you could do with your arms. So we're just going to walk, a normal walk. This is fine too. Walk back, 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Do that again. Walk for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now let's add that plie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you're going to walk a little bit slower with this, but see how it's more sensual? Now, when you're walking, I want you to eventually bring your arms up, and I want your palms to kind of face the side and then face up. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it with the walk. I'm going to do it with the plie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to do this with some music.